Today's episode is Evil Dinosaur number 2 tries to kill the EAS reporter / grounded.
Let's play some Call of Duty, Black Ops 6 on my Xbox Series X.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the EAS local primary station for the Pentagon City area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident or other state or local emergencies that affects your safety, official messages would have followed the alarm tone. This station serves the Pentagon City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume local programming.
What the heck? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my game? That is just rude. That's it. I am going to kill the man who is responsible.
Evil Dinosaur number 2, I don't know what the heck you're mad about, but you need to shut the heck up and stop whining like a tiny helpless baby. It really annoys me when you always complain about crap.
Dinosaur number 2, please? I don't have time for your jokes right now. I am really angry right now.
When Evil Dinosaur number 2 got to the EAS studio.
Young man, what the heck are you doing here, and why do you have a gun in front of my face?
Oh, shut up, you pie hole, and don't move a muscle, you piece of crap. This is what you get for ruining my game of Call of Duty, Black Ops 6 on my Xbox Series X. So I'm going to kill you right now.
Oh my freaking god. Evil Dinosaur number 2. Why did you try to kill me in the first place? You know doing that could get you arrested. That does it. I'm going to give you a beating for trying to kill me.
Uh-oh, I better run. Man, it sure is a great day to have a walk. Help me, somebody. What is the problem? Evil Dinosaur number 2? I got an emergency alert system reporter chasing after me to beat me up. Don't worry, Evil Dinosaur number 2. You can come into my house where it's safe, so we can go to my room and lock the doors. Okay.
Hey, the door is locked. I will need some plans to break in. Oh, I think he's with Dark Evil Dinosaur. I will get inside and beat both of them up.
Quick, in my room. Phew, that was close. I know. Anyways, what do you want to do now? Let's watch Super Mario Logan's SML movies on YouTube. Okay.
3 hours later after watching Super Mario Logan's SML movies on YouTube.
That was some fantastic episodes. I know, right? That is the funniest part, where Jeffy has his mouth wide when he talked to Jackie Chu about what state is below Virginia in most of Super Mario Logan's SML movies. Ha 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 ha. What was that? It's the emergency alert system reporter. He broke into your house, so I don't think we're alone. Wait, did you hear that? Yes, it sounds like the EAS reporter is coming upstairs to your room, so we better not. Dang it, we're busted.
Oh yes, you both are. Dark Evil Dinosaur. I can't believe you helped Evil Dinosaur number 2 hide into your house and into your room. That's it. Both of you. Prepare to get beaten up.
Oh great, we're screwed. Totally screwed. That really hurts a lot more. I agree, it is very painful. Hey, what the crap is going on over here?
Well, Evil Dinosaur number 2 tried to kill me with a gun and chased after him, and then, your son Dark Evil Dinosaur helped Evil Dinosaur number 2 hide into his room. I beat them up for what they did. Can you ground him for this?
Okay, thanks for telling me about that emergency alert system reporter.
And as for you Evil Dinosaur number 2, go home now while I call Dinosaur number 2. Hello? Dinosaur number 2, your son just tried to kill me with a gun. Can you ground him for this please? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye. Don't worry, I called Dinosaur number 2 so he would ground him for this.
Thank you, emergency alert system reporter. You are free to go back to the EAS studio. Dark Evil Dinosaur, I can't believe you helped Evil Dinosaur number 2 hide into your room and got beaten up by the emergency alert system reporter. That's it, you are grounded for 3 weeks. Now get up off the floor and go straight to bed now.
At Evil Dinosaur number 2 single quote us house. Evil Dinosaur number 2, I just got a call from the emergency alert system reporter. He said that you tried to kill him with a gun. Why did you try to kill the emergency alert system reporter?
Because he interrupted me in the middle of Call of Duty, Black Ops 6, so that's why I tried to kill him to death. But no.
I don't give a crap about that. No excuses, young man. You are grounded for 4 weeks. Now go upstairs to your room and think about what you've done.
Dang it.